The forgotten nutrient silica. Why you need it. Did you know that silicon is the most common element? No? Well, I've got news for you. It makes up over 90% of the Earth's crust, in combination with oxygen forming many types of rocks such as quartz, rock crystal, amethyst, or flint, but it is not present in nature as a pure element. And now you're asking yourself, that sounds kind of hard to swallow. How does it get absorbed by our body? The microorganisms in the soil solubilize the silicon-rich rocks and transform it into a solution that plants and human beings can absorb. This is called organic, or living silica. But our soil has now lost a lot of its naturally occurring organic minerals. With increased chemical use in conventional farming, GMOs, genetically modified organisms, and finally with the poor lifestyle choices, we are now receiving 10 times less silica content than in the past, lower than our body needs. Might I suffer a silica deficiency? I'll tell you, after the age of 21, the amount of silicon in your body, 7 grams, becomes a lot less. And it's the same for collagen, a vital protein that is boosted by silica. As silica is not stored in the body, and we lose the ability to absorb it as we get older, we need a continuous supply to keep our collagen in good shape. Only healthy collagen? Well, optimum silica levels will help your body improve cartilage and tendon health, repairing joints, strengthening cartilage, and increasing tendon elasticity for tougher, more flexible bones. Oh, and for the image conscious, it will also improve hair, skin, and nail health. It hydrates and brightens the skin. And get this, it reduces wrinkles too. Silica will help rebuild tissues, making them more flexible, stable, and strong so they can work more effectively, so that when you go to do that workout, you'll feel more elastic and recover faster. Silica will also keep your gut ticking over nicely and keep your immune system in good shape. It will give you a detox too. This means increased overall energy and vitality. So, this is a new and exciting supplement, right? Wrong. The ancient Egyptian papyrus shows silica being used as a remedy for different things like hair loss and wounds. It seems that ancient Egyptians had their share of inflammations, skin diseases, and aching joints. And when they did, they reached for silica. But then this great remedy got lost in the mists of time until 1972, when Edith Carlisle, an American scientist, demonstrated that the trace element silicon, Si, or silica, was essential for humans, plants, and animals, and therefore vital. At the same time, on the other side of the world, Monsieur Louis, a French doctor in sciences and famous forensic criminologist, also rediscovered the benefits of silica when he was working with a sample of sand-rich in organic silica. After days manipulating it with his hands, Louis realized that a skin problem he had on his hand had completely disappeared. He decided to spend the rest of his life researching and promoting the benefits of the element which helped him, and committed to developing the best absorbable form of silica to prove its benefits. To overcome the natural obstacle of silica, tending to lead to the formation of other compounds that our body cannot absorb, he associated with Norbert Dufault, the professor in biochemistry of the Bordeaux University. After studying and perfecting 5 generations of silica biomolecules, he finally reached the purest compound, monomethylsilantrium, or living silica, a scientific breakthrough in silica bioavailability. Living silica collagen booster is the most bioavailable form of dietary silica. It will help our bodies to renew collagen from the inside out. Eating foods high in silica is a great way to boost your levels, but it may not be enough. And here's where living silica comes in, because it provides 1. Greater absorption. It is 4 times better absorbed than the next silica available, and 10 times better absorbed than common silica. Optimally concentrated. It has 22 milligrams of silica per serving. Although there is not an official RDI, recommended daily intake, the suggested intake for silica is between 20 to 40 milligrams per day to deliver the amount your body needs. 2. Scientifically studied. The beneficial effects of our products are well documented, and several of our clinical studies are published in respected peer-reviewed scientific journals. We collaborate with renowned universities, independent clinics, to test the efficiency and safety of our products. It has no side effects. Many silica supplements can cause kidney stones or other problems such as demineralization. Living silica has been shown to be completely safe because the body rapidly gets rid of any excess. It's clinically proven and 100% guaranteed. This is why we know that you are going to love the new concentrated version of our classic Living Silica Collagen Booster. Your body, from head to toe, will love you for it too.